Welcome to my class. In this class, we will study how we can expand networks. That is network expansion. There are a number of devices which are used for the expansion of a computer network. We will talk about all these devices in this particular lecture. The network expansion, how it is made, what are the devices required for, we are going to study. Up to this particular point, we have studied different topologies. Each topology has its own merits and demerits. Therefore, a network cannot be made larger by simply adding new computers and more wiring. However, there are certain devices which can be of great help in increasing the size of an existing network. These devices are discussed in brief here. Network expansion requires 4 major devices. First, bridge. Second, repeater. Third, router. Fourth, gateway. All these devices we are going to study one by one. The network expansion devices. In terms of distance covered, we have first bridge, second repeater, the third one router, and the fourth one is gateway. Let's discuss about these one by one. Bridge. A bridge is a device used to connect two similar networks so that they appear as a single large network. It can also be used to divide an overloaded network into a separate network so as to reduce the traffic and making each network segment more efficient. This is the photograph of bridge. Second one is repeater. Repeater is a device used to regenerate the signals to their original strength. While traveling long distance, signals become weak. Repeaters take care of this problem to ensure correct and safe transmission. A repeater can function only where both the segments repeater joins have same media access protocol and transmission techniques. This is the photograph of repeater. The third one is router. Router is a device used to connect networks that use different architecture and protocols. They can determine the best path available for sending the data on the network and move information packets across multiple networks. They cannot provide link to remote computers. They only read the address information packets and move them to best possible available path on the network. This is the photograph of router. There is one more device, that is router. Router is a network device having capability of both bridge and router. So router is a combination of bridge and router. Simply it combines the functioning of the bridge and a router. The last one is gateway. Gateways are usually in the form of dedicated servers on a network. They are used to connect machines using different protocols in different types of networks. It is slower than a bridge or a router. A gateway typically has its own processor and memory and can perform protocol convergence. This is the photograph of gateway. Now, protocol conversion allows a gateway to connect two dissimilar networks. Data is converted and reformatted before it is forwarded to the new network. It means if two networks are using different protocols, then we need to have gateway to connect those networks. This is a computer providing connection between two different networks. It reformats the data so that it will be acceptable to the system it is passing into. Thank you very much.